12, 2018. Got a couple here to the downside and quite a few to the upside. Market is moving up a little bit in pre-market. And yeah, we'll see how the day goes. We'll see if we can squeeze anything out of this market today. I'm going to take short here on IMMU at the ask if it gives it to us. And we're in. We're in at 23.58. Daily is strong, so it's a risky trade. But it has had a couple of down days and gap down today. It's being bought up here at the open. It's a big spread, so it can easily turn around. And it's about to hit yesterday's close right here. So I'm thinking it's going to turn around and go back down. If not, stop should probably be over 24. You know, around there. But we'll see. This market is strong. But it is down. It was down for the day, so has to be a reason for that thing to be down like that. So we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. Now I'd like to get it back to, entry and then assess. But it's second candle, so a lot of noise here. But I'd like to at least get 20 cents off of this one, 20, 30 cents, right back to 23.30. That's probably my target, but I'll take it in between depending on what happens to the market. Looks like it's coming down now. See, big spreads, that's what happens. Easily goes against you, but easily comes back. You got a 5-10 cent spread on this one. ACIA, let's take a look at this one. I like this one for a short here. I'm going to take this at the ask if it gives it to me. And it's not giving it to me. I'm not going to wait too much longer. You know what? There's no movement in this one. Cancel that out. This one is squeezing against us right now. Not good. Not good at all. Don't like that. It hasn't given me a chance to get out. I could have got out here, but it looked like it was coming down. And then look, it just squeezes right up. It's alright. It's alright. We'll wait. We'll see. I'm not going to get out up there because chances are it'll come right back down. You know, there's a lot of selling pressure right there. That's a big resistance area, so it's going to get smacked down there. You know, we got 3 big red candles there. We'll see what happens with this one. You know, it'll probably be a loss now because I'll probably get out of it somewhere around the 23.70, 80 area because it's not, unless the market goes down, which it is. Market's going down, so we'll see. But it's not looking good. NXPE, was looking at this one earlier, right around here, the 17. Didn't take it. Look at that. Boom. Didn't take it because of the strength of this one. The daily is kind of uptrending, and it was down at the 20 and the 200, so it might bounce off of there, and it didn't. It dropped. Let's take a look at IMMU. This thing here is starting to hurt. I'm going to give it just a little bit more. If it continues to go up, I have to get out. You know, it hasn't given me a chance to get out. It's just shooting up, you know, and it's still going. Now, you don't want to do this with large amount of shares because, you know, it pains too much. But with the 150 shares, you can let it ride a little bit. Alright, it's coming back to us. I'm gonna start thinking about coming out of it because it's strong. And market's coming down. You know what, I'm gonna come out of this right around here. I'm gonna come out of it here if it gives it to me. Alright, we're out. We're out for a loss. We're out for a loss of about close to 50 cents on it. I don't trust it. Look at how strong it is. It didn't give me a chance to get out. Finally, it's given me a chance to get out. I'm going to take it, reassess, and possibly take it up when it's around 25 and change, and try to get some of this back. All right. See, I could have got out that up here, which I thought about. Believe me, I did. But look at what I got back, almost 60 cents on it. Doesn't always work, but you know. And here it goes. Now it's going back up. Yeah. We'll see how the day plays out with this one. And XPI looks like it wants to drop here again. This is a little extended, so I'm gonna hold off on it. And then it'll be a nice short right here. But I already broke 16 and it had no follow through, so that tells me we'll wait on it. JLMD, this one's really moving today. It went from 750 all the way to 2750, and now it's got a pullback. It's not shortable, so you can't short this one. I wouldn't short this one. Maybe a long, maybe a long. Once it gets to about the 20 area, I might be interested in going long on this one, but this one is extremely extended, so for this one not to have a small sell-off, it would be pretty weird, because people are gonna sell it. They got so much money made on it that bought down there in the twos, the fours, the fives, sevens, and here it is at the 20s. You have to take something, right? I'm going to take Casey here at the ask if it gives it to me. CASY. And it's not going to give it to me. Nope, it's not going to give it to me. We'll cancel that one up. Play. I like play here. The daily has been super strong. And today it gapped up. And it's pretty much up here. Every time it gets down here, it gets bought up. So I'm going to wait till it breaks 54.04, 54, and I'm going to try to get in it. Here it is. It's coming down now. Kind of a risky play here because it's up so much. I'm going to wait a little bit, actually. I'll hold off on it. I'm going to pick it up down here at 37 if it gives it to me, and we're in. Going to be a quick trade if I can get it. And then we'll talk about it afterwards. We're in at 31. I like to see it back up a little bit. Not looking for much. I'm going to take it right there. I'll take that. Took it for about 30 cents. Just a quick reversal from the lows of the day. It was a pretty big low there. It just shot right down, so I figured I'll pick that up because there's going to be a lot of buying once it shoots down, and I got a quick 30 cents. It's risky, but not as risky on this trade because look at the daily. Look at how strong it is, So chances are this thing is going to go right back up there to 54, 55. But it did gap up quite dramatically. Look at that gap up. And it had already shot up from 42.50 all the way to, 47.50. And then I think earnings came out yesterday and boom, all the way up here. And see, there it goes. It's starting to move back up again. Below the 9, up for the day, dramatically. Sells off to below the 9, and that's where we picked it up. And we got 30 cents. I mean, we could probably got more, but the safe bet, take what you can get and run. IMMU, we were in it earlier. We got out with close to 50-cent loss at 24.03, and look at it now. It's all the way up to 24.75. So you don't want to trade this anymore. Look, it's over yesterday's close. Daily is strong. I'm thinking about it, don't get me wrong. It's a revenge trade, but I'm not going to do it. It's too close to the highs. This thing has potential to pop the top and go. Yeah, it does. But the market's down. Yeah, I'm looking for stocks here. I'm looking for something to get into, and I just can't seem to find anything. You know, market's going down, so that should help me if I want to do shorts, but I can't see anything. This one's already down. This one's down. They're all down, so the ones I'm using here, this one, maybe Casey here. Casey looks interesting here. I wanted to take it over here, but it didn't, couldn't get it, so it dropped. Yeah, so that's going to be it for me today. I got a few things I got to do today too, so we're down 27. Let's take a look at the trades. Just two trades. The winner was on PLA, and the loser was on IMMU. And that's it. Thanks for watching.